Big blue skies and plenty of sunshine. Perfect conditions for growing wheat and harnessing free energy from the sun. Welcome to Nangeenan, in the heart of the WA wheat belt. The young family living here have been relying on diesel generators to power their property for 3 years, as connecting to the utility grid was a budget-blowing $200,000 exercise. Set a tight budget and a desperate need for clean, reliable power, RBSS was tasked to design a fully off-grid battery energy storage system, harnessing the abundant solar energy that this rural location offers. The RBSS Power Cube is designed to allow setup of a portable battery room in our Perth workshop, realising significant cost savings and quicker turnaround times. Once completed in our workshop, the Power Cube is transported to site and simply plugged into an existing PV array or other energy source. Custom designed to suit any system configuration, scalable to meet any energy demand, and fully portable to almost any location. The Power Cube is a flexible and cost-effective off-grid energy solution. Nangeenan, an RBSS Power Cube. Clean, safe, reliable power. For more information about this project, visit our website.